Governor Neil Abercrombie today signed an emergency proclamation in anticipation of the arrival of two tropical cyclones in Hawaii. Hurricane Iselle is forecast to impact the state Thursday evening through late Friday. Hurricane Julio is a few days behind Iselle and may impact the islands as soon as Sunday. The proclamation, which includes the entire state, activates the major disaster fund set aside by the legislature for disaster relief. It also allows easier access to emergency resources at the state and federal levels, along with the suspension of certain laws as needed for emergency purposes. "We want to make sure we are doing everything possible to protect the public," said Governor Abercrombie. This proclamation improves the state's ability to respond quickly to any potential impacts from both storms. The disaster emergency relief period for the proclamation begins today and continues through August 15, 2014. Recommended preparedness actions may be found on the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency website at scg.hawaii.governor. Residents are also encouraged to enroll in local notification systems and monitor local radio and television broadcasts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingme.webs.com.